lowercase m from alphabet lore.
That's right.
We've done a lot of alphabet lore stuff. We've done the whole uppercase series, and we've done the whole lowercase series all the way up to M. Today is M. Pretty excited about it. We hope you check it out. You ready to get started, Landon?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. First step is the eyeballs as usual with these characters. So these ones are pretty wide, and they're going to be on an angle. So the first one we're going to do is going to be a square with rounded corners that looks like this. Do they have to be perfect, Landon?
No.
No, they certainly don't. Craft Kids TV, we don't go for perfection, we go for
Fun.
That's right. Good, so we'll do that like that. We'll put an eyelid in here. And then we'll do a pupil, which is pretty big, takes up quite a bit of the area. And then you can just fill that right in. Okay, next we do another one on this side, so nice and wide. We try to make it the same size if we can, same angle if we can. Something like that. So then the next step is going to be the top of the letters, and we're going to do this kind of shape.
So it's like an M.
Yes, it's like an M shape, but it's very rounded and wide. So just watch how this is going to look, okay? We're going to go like from here to the middle, and then out to about there. Okay. Now, the outside part of this leg of the M is going to curve in. We imagine it going through the eyeball, but it's curving in. Curves in like that. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side, but I'm going to churn my paper. Okay? Next step is we're going to come across with the leg here, about that wide, and come across with the leg here about the same width. Okay, then we're going to remember where the center was, and we're going to come down just a bit below the eyeballs, like right in this region. And I'm just going to make a dot there, because like very, very light dot. That's where I want the bottom part of my M to come through. Okay, so we're going to do this all in one motion. It's going to be very flowy. It's going to be a very flowy M. It's going to look like this. Come in, go up, curve down through that dot, curve back up, around, and connect. So we have like an M shape right here. We can thicken these up a little bit. We're going to next, and the last step really, besides coloring, is to do the mouth. And the mouth is going to be from about here, the little curved line, to about here, the little curved line. And then that's going to be connected with a line that dips in the middle. And then we add a tooth. Just like that. Nice job. Now we're going to thicken and color, and our lowercase m's from alphabet lore will be done.
There's
M. Here are our lowercase m's from alphabet lore. We had a good time doing these. Did you have fun, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty fun. We had a major issue with the marker. We started with... Ooh, where'd it go? There it is. We started with this Prismacolor. Crimson, red crimson, absolute junk. And then we went to this Posca marker, which is not junk. But, and this is not junk either if it was actually a real Prismacolor marker. This is a good marker, but it's just gone. It's totally gone. First time we've ever run completely through a Posca marker. Anyways, other than the poor coloring, it does not look our best. We had a great time.
Yeah.
So check out some of our other alphabet lore videos or just any of our regular videos on YouTube. And until we see you next time, keep drawing, stay awesome, bye! Crazy. They're crazy, right?